Welcome viewers to the SD online classes. Here we do class 10 physics MBSc Mizoram Board of School Education chapter 1. We are doing light chapter in which I already finished two of the parts earlier, in which I gave you some introductions, and after that I introduced what are the parts of the different parts of your mirror in both concave and convex. Okay, it was there in your page number 3 4. Now I'm going to page number 5 6. Mainly here we will try to see how the image is formed in a spherical mirror. Spherical contains both. Okay, here it can be concave also, it can be convex. Why they are called spherical? Because they are part of a big sphere. Okay, now let's see. The topic will be image formation by spherical. So the rules, what are the rules of making the image here in spherical mirror? First we'll do concave mirror, and different type of images also will continue after that, and then we'll do convex separately. Okay, so let's see. The first rule is that it says a ray means light, ray passing parallel to, all the terms are important, principal axis. You remember principal axis, that long line xy. After reflection passes through the principal focus. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Let's see. The meaning is that suppose you have a concave mirror, you have that principal axis, this is pole x y. Okay, and then it says ray passing parallel to the principal axis. This line is principal axis. Any line parallel to this will be this one. If suppose the light ray is passing like this parallel to this principal axis, you can see these are parallel. Then it says that after reflection means here, after hitting it here, what happens? Passes through the principal focus. So when it will hit, it will come back, and when it goes, it has to pass here. This is the rule. Okay, that's why in the previous diagram also we were drawing like this. This is the rule. This you have to know in order to make images. This is the first rule. Fine. And you also remember there was center of curvature. This was the picture already. So only here we learned what? Here we learned one thing, parallel line coming, it has to go back from the focus. Remember this. Okay, very important, the first one. Then second rule is also there. Second rule says that when a light comes from principal focus, then after going it will be just opposite to this. After reflecting, it will become parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so here you will write a ray passing. I'll just write. This rule says opposite of this one, previous one. What it says, suppose you have a mirror like this, principal axis xy, pole p. If suppose here you already know where is the focus. Okay, here suppose you already know where is the focus, and suppose the light is coming like this, passing through the focus. Okay, not coming parallel, it is coming passing to the focus. Then when going back, it will be going parallel to the principal axis, isn't it? Opposite to that, parallel going focus, parallel coming back. Okay, so this is the opposite of that. Here for your diagram remembering, always good to draw the center of curvature to here. Okay, this is the dotted line, because these angles are incident and reflecting angle. Incident angle, reflecting, that we will study later on also again. Okay, so these are the two rules. After there, two more rules are there, we will continue. This is the third rule. It says that a ray passing through the center of curvature of a concave mirror after reflection returns back along the same path. The meaning is like this. Suppose this is the mirror, this is the principal axis, this is focus somewhere here is the center of curvature. Suppose a light ray passing through parallel coming back to focus. Done, number one. Number two, light ray passing through the focus going back parallel. Number two. The number 3 is, if that light is coming, okay, if that light is coming at the center of curvature like this, what will happen? Like this it is going, it will come like this. Okay, very interesting. Okay, it will not go here, it will not become parallel just like earlier. It will, what it will happen, it will come rebound itself here. It will happen this, returns back along the same path. Okay, when it will happen? When the light is coming at the center of curvature. Okay, got it? And here there is no question of making that dotted line, isn't it? Earlier we were making that dotted line to the center of curvature. Here if you make also this, in this case that incident and the reflected angle both are not there. Okay, it is 0 both. Now the fourth one, this rule is like this: if a ray of light is incident with some angle on a concave mirror, suppose this is the your concave mirror, this having the pole axis, principal axis. Okay, now if suppose it is coming like this, hitting here, and it will come back like this, going here, exactly same angle it will make here and here. Very easy to understand, not that difficult. Focus will remain as it is here, center of curvature will remain. Okay, these are the angle value, theta, 30 degree, 30 degree. If it is 20 degree, 20 degree, 60, 60 degree, like that. Okay, these are the 4 different rules. All of them, the most used in your case will be the first one, this one. This is very important. Whenever parallel light coming, you have to pass to the focus. This also you will use, and if you know the 1 and 3, most of the time your work will be done. Okay, these are the things you need as a rule for making the images in concave mirror.